Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I'm Herlen Abong Palantao, 34 years old, married. I have 3 children, ages 13, 11, 6 years old, living Angadanan, Isabela. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. I'm fourth of the family, and I'm a high school graduate.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
My work experience here in the Philippines as a housemaid and at the same time a caretaker to serve with a couple, 2 children, ages 9 and 10 years old, and elderly 71 years old. I do household chores, cleaning, ironing, washing, car washing, cooking, and my main duties is taking care elderly, preparing food, taking medicine, assisting for a bath, go for a walk, and shop together.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
I hope you choose me as your worker. I'm a responsible, I'm honest, I'm a hardworking. I will do my best as your worker. Thank you.